You could be making money from Amazon without ever touching a product, and you don't even need a website to start. This isn't some far-fetched dream. It's a reality for thousands of people who have learned the fundamentals of Amazon affiliate marketing. It's one of the most trusted and straightforward ways to begin making money online. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you step by step from zero to your first Amazon affiliate sale, even if you're a complete beginner with no prior experience. We're cutting out all the fluff and getting straight to the actionable steps that work. So let's get started. First, let's quickly cover why this is such a powerful opportunity, especially for beginners. The Amazon Associates program is the official affiliate program for Amazon. The reason it works so well comes down to one word: trust. Billions of people already know, trust, and shop on Amazon. They have their payment information saved and are comfortable making purchases. Your job isn't to convince someone to buy from a shady, unknown website. Your job is simply to help guide an already willing buyer to the right product on a platform they already use daily. Think about it. When you recommend a product, your audience doesn't have to wonder if their credit card will be safe or if the product will ever arrive. They just click your link, land on a familiar Amazon page, and check out. This built-in trust leads to incredibly high conversion rates compared to other affiliate programs. I started my own online journey with the Amazon affiliate marketing model, and my first commission was just a few dollars from a kitchen gadget. But seeing that first sale come in was proof that this system works. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It won't replace your full-time income overnight, but it is a proven, reliable, and fantastic first step into the world of earning money online, and it can absolutely grow into a significant income stream with consistency. Step 1. Understanding how Amazon Associates works. At its core, the concept is beautifully simple. You sign up for the program, which is free. Once approved, you can create special, unique tracking links for any product on Amazon. You then share these links. When someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase on Amazon within a certain time frame, you earn a percentage of that sale as a commission. You don't handle any inventory, you don't deal with shipping, and you don't manage customer service. You are simply the helpful guide, the friendly referrer. Here's a practical example. Let's say you recommend a specific brand of coffee maker. You write a blog post or create a video about it. Inside your content, you place your special affiliate link. A viewer searching for a new coffee maker finds your content helpful. They click your link, which takes them directly to that coffee maker's page on Amazon. Now, a special cookie has been placed on their browser. This cookie typically lasts for 24 hours. Here's the magic part. You earn a commission not just on the coffee maker, but on anything they add to their cart and purchase within that 24-hour window. So if they also buy groceries, a book, and some new socks, you get a cut of the entire cart value. Commission rates vary by product category, from around 1% for video games to over 4% for categories like home and beauty. You can find the full commission rate table on the Amazon Associates website. The key takeaway is that you are a digital matchmaker, connecting a person's need with a product solution on Amazon. Step 2. Signing up for Amazon Associates. Setting up your account is the first real step, and it's important to get it right. Go to the Amazon Associates homepage, click sign up, and log in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one. The application is simple. Provide your personal info, including address and phone number, then list the websites or apps where you'll promote products. If you don't have a website, list your YouTube channel, Pinterest profile, or Instagram, but make sure it has some content. Amazon wants an established presence, even if small. Empty profiles risk rejection. Next, fill out your profile describing your content and topics. Be clear and honest. Then complete tax and payment details. Choose direct deposit, Amazon gift card, or check. Direct deposit is easiest. You'll also choose your store ID, part of your tracking links, so keep it simple and relevant. Common reasons for rejection include inaccurate info, platforms violating Amazon's terms, or brand new empty profiles. To improve approval chances, have at least 5-10 quality posts or videos before applying. Step 3. Choosing a profitable niche. Your niche is your focus, and picking the right one is crucial. Don't choose just because it's popular. Choose a profitable one. A strong Amazon niche has 3 traits: high buyer intent, people ready to purchase, like home brewing kits, not history of beer; evergreen demand, steady interest year-round, like fitness gear, kitchen gadgets, pet supplies, home office equipment; and mid to high-priced products. 4% of a $300 vacuum beats 4% of a $5 book. Aim for $50. $500 $100 range. Use Amazon's best sellers page to research. Browse departments and see what's selling. In home and kitchen, air fryers, robot vacuums, and stand mixers show strong demand. In sports and outdoors, yoga mats, resistance bands, and kayaks. Brainstorm 5-10 niches you're genuinely interested in. Passion fuels consistency, which drives success. Step 4. Finding products that sell. After picking a niche, find products to promote. The best sellers list shows high demand items. The movers and shakers list spots trending products. Look for hundreds or thousands of reviews averaging 4+ stars. Read both good and bad reviews for honest insight. Check prices fit your sweet spot. Consider bundling for higher commissions. Like a perfect YouTube starter kit under $500 with camera, tripod, lens, and memory cards, linking to all. Step 5. Creating content that converts. With niche and products ready, create content that helps, builds trust, and guides purchases. 3 top formats: YouTube videos, reviews, unboxings, comparisons. For example, top 5 best budget microphones for YouTube under $50. Blogs, product roundups, how-tos, in-depth reviews. 10 must-have gadgets for your home office, linking to 10 products. Social media, Pinterest and Instagram. On Pinterest, create pins like the Ultimate Kitchen Gadget Checklist, linking to posts, products. On Instagram, use Reels or quality images. Be authentic, focus on benefits, and show problem solving. Value first, sales later. Step 6. Adding affiliate links correctly. Do it right or no credit. Use Amazon Associates SiteStripe, a toolbar on every Amazon page when logged in. Click text for your unique link, full or short, Amazon.to. Short links look cleaner for YouTube social media. Disclosure is non-negotiable. FTC requires clear disclosure before links appear. On YouTube, place it at the top of the description. On blogs, at the post start. Simple. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This builds trust and compliance. Hiding affiliate status is deceptive and harms your brand. Always be upfront. Step 7. Driving traffic to your content. Great content is half the work. The other half is getting eyes on it. For blogs and YouTube, use SEO targeting buyer keywords like best, review, versus, comparison, and under $100. Titles like Bose QC45 versus Sony model review attract ready-to-buy viewers. Use these in titles, descriptions, and content. On social media, drive traffic with relevant hashtags, niche engagement, and shareable content like infographics or clips. Provide value instead of spamming links. Share tips, then guide people to main content with affiliate links. Organic traffic takes time, but is sustainable and attracts qualified visitors. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't pick a niche just for high commissions. Lack of interest causes burnout. Avoid overstuffing links. A few helpful ones work best. Remember Amazon's 180-day rule. Make at least one qualifying sale in 180 days or risk account closure. Start content creation and traffic building immediately. Let me tell you about TubeMagic. It's an AI-powered toolbox that helps you grow a faceless YouTube channel faster. It gives you viral video ideas, titles, full scripts, optimized tags, and even SEO-friendly descriptions, all in minutes. It takes the guesswork out of growing on YouTube. I've been using it to streamline my video creation, and honestly, it's been a game changer. If you're serious about growing a faceless channel or just want to make YouTube easier, click the link in the description to check out TubeMagic. It's one of my favorite tools for creating content fast and ranking faster. Your Amazon affiliate journey starts now. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Pick a niche, create your first content, and share your first link. I've linked a free checklist in the description to guide you. The sooner you start, the sooner you earn your first commission. And that first online dollar changes everything.